I would tell my younger self to take it easy, step by step. Everything is coming at its right time, at its right pace. I am a chemical engineer. When I was first graduated, I started working in the Ministry of Industry, and then I started to specialize in the environmental field. I have been here for my master's, I have been for my PhD, and now I'm here for my work. So I'm very happy being here, part of AUC community. Actually, this is what I enjoy most in my work, is the diversity. So I have work to do in the lab, I have work to do with researchers, I have work to do with stakeholders, I have work to do with the community. So this is what I love about my work, is the diversity and the inclusion of many aspects in my work. What I appreciate most in CARES and in AUC as well is the problems that we are targeting. We are very much concerned with our society problems, our economic problems, our environmental problems. I enjoy doing things with my hands, actually. So I like to draw on jars. I like planting. So I have my own agriculture system, automatic system. I do it myself. And I love traveling a lot.